Imagine this. A delivery rider is working a 12-hour shift. At 11:45 p.m., his phone buzzes, not with an order, but with a message saying your account has been suspended. No explanation, no warning, no payout for the last few days of work. He goes home and tells his family he has no income tomorrow.
You're right, and this is not just a story, it is a reality for most gig workers in India. To address this, we built Rakshak AI under NYAAYSEtu, a gig worker justice bridge.
This is the landing page for the gig workers. Here, they sign in using their mobile number and OTP to authenticate their login. Here, they have a dashboard of all the grievances that they have for all the various apps. When they want to put a new case, they can click this button. Here, they have their person ID, which is unique to each app and unique to each person. To authenticate their login, they have to enter an OTP received. Then they have to enter in detail what their grievance is. For example, I have not received fair amount for my trip yesterday. The backend of this will be demonstrated later. After that, here they will receive a glimpse of their problem statement, and if that is abided by the rules or it's actually not legal from the platform side. If it is legal, then they can cancel the case. If not, they can explain their issue in detail. For example, I have not received fair payment for my trip yesterday and proof for the same. I have a screenshot of my distance and time travel and unfair payment received. After this, they can generate the PDF, which they can use to consult a public prosecutor, which will make it both inexpensive and also convenient for the gig worker. This can easily be downloaded and saved, and this can be considered as a legal document, which can be given to the lawyer for any legal purposes or any future clarifications.
Here we can see the demonstration of the backend. So, if a gig worker explains that they were terminated on a particular date and give a reasoning of what happened, then the system validates that and deems it to be a valid complaint. And if a gig worker says like they were not given a certain bonus and they want a bonus to earn more, it validates this to be an invalid complaint.
Recognizing text from the screenshot that the user uploads, whatever evidence or whatever query he has and the evidence he has in the screenshot will be uploaded. And we use through Tesseract OCR through Python. We detect text that is present inside the screenshot. So what I'm going to do here is, to demonstrate this, I've uploaded a screenshot that has random lyrics of a song to demonstrate, and I'm going to be running this. So as you can see, after I run this, the lyrics, that is the text in the screenshot, has been detected. So this is one of the ways how the input is received by the user, or the screenshots, and the text from the screenshots is captured.
An illustration of the interface for the platform owner. This is a dashboard we have created to demonstrate the working of our system and how wirelessly each of our systems connect to each other. Here we have the partners who help the company in delivering. Just for demonstration purposes, we can also add the partners with their name, their phone number, their ID, and their joining date, which is automatically taken. And for each delivery partner, we have different information that is stored. For example, here we can add an order, like if an order is completed, they've been terminated for this particular log. We can also mark them active if that is removed. Their total reviews comes here. We can also delete that rider for any purpose if required. This is how it looks as in the database for the platform owners, and any change that comes here is immediately reflected in our system, which tries to ensure utmost fairness for each gig worker.